Hello, welcome to Storytime Dance. My name is Emma and I run the Emma Louise Dance Club in Dumfries and Galloway. I am working in partnership with Lifelong Learning to deliver this class to you today. We are going to be reading Honk Honk Rattle Rattle by Renita, Boyle and Abel. Music is from the album Music for Movement in Imaginations Volume 2 by Maddock. We are very grateful to these artists for giving us permission to feature their work in this video. The Storytime Dance session is aimed at adults and younger children, however the whole family can join in. If you are following along at home, you are advised you do so at your own risk. Please be safe. Adults, please supervise younger children. Before we begin, make sure the floor is clear. Move the coffee table, roll up the rug, put away the toys. Be careful of furniture, objects and pets in the room in order to avoid accident or injury. Best practice is to wear comfy clothes and good footwear such as trainers. Long hair should be fastened up and jewellery should be removed. Remember to drink water as you exercise to stay hydrated. You are welcome to adapt any of the movements to suit your own abilities and the space you have available. You can pause, replay the video too. Are you ready? Let's get warmed up. This book has a section that repeats, a bit like a chorus in a song. You may have heard Renita singing the song. It goes like this. Honk, honk, rattle, 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 crash, bang, bang. Honk, honk, rattle, 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 crash, bang, bang. Honk, honk, rattle, 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 crash, bang, bang. Honk, 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 beep, beep. These are the moves. Honk, honk, rattle, rattle, crash, bang, bang. And for beep, beep, we go beep, beep. At the end, we go aruga. Okay, let's sing and do the moves together. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Honk, honk, rattle, 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 crash, bang, bang. Honk, honk, rattle, 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 crash, bang, bang. Honk, honk, rattle, 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 crash, bang, bang. Honk, 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 beep, beep. Aruga! Well done everybody. Let's read the story. Let's load up our camper van. We'll park our van wherever we can. Let's go beyond our garden gate. Come on everybody, now don't be late. We've got a kite to fly and a boat to sail, fishing pole and a mop and pail, a flute to toot and an old banjo, a basket full of food and a chef to go. Are you ready? Honk, honk, rattle, 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 crash, bang, bang. Honk, 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 beep, beep. In this part of the story, the characters of the book are getting ready to go on holiday. They are travelling in a camper van. There are lots of different ways we can travel too. Try these travelling movements with me. everybody. Let's continue with the story. Here we go. There is a swishy fish and games to play, toothpaste and insect spray, an old teapot and a biscuit tin, toilet roll and a rubbish bin. We've got sticky tape and a first aid kit, needle and thread and wool to knit, a long clothesline and loads of pegs, a wonky chair with wobbly legs. Are you ready? Here we go. Honk, honk, rattle, 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 crash, bang, bang. Honk, 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 honk. Beep, beep. The characters in the book are going camping. Have you ever been camping? Could you build a tent or a den at home? It's lots of fun. Let's build a tent and snuggle down in our sleeping bags. Clap. Tent. Wrap up in your sleeping bag. Let's get comfy. Try roll the other way. Oh, now we're all snugly in our sleeping bags. Let's find out what happens next. There's a small bandana and a big balloon, glitter and glue, and a dog that moos, a cat that rooms, and a motor that purrs, a horse that quacks, and a spoon to stir. There's a big bathtub and a mountain bike, boots and a map for a hilltop hike, a sack of books and our favourite tunes, wood for a fire under stars and moon. Join in with me. Are you ready? Honk, honk, rattle, 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 crash, bang, bang. Honk, 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 honk. Beep, beep. had lots of fun at the beach. Let's go for a swim in the sea. We had lots of fun swimming in the sea, in the warm blue sea. Got wellies, brollies, mitts and hats, sunblock goggles, balls and bats, a mouse that squeaks, and tyres that squeal, and an itty bitty hamster at the wheel. Got pots and pans and all of their lids, a bunch of flowers and a batch of kids, a tin opener and an oven glove, lots of dreams and loads of love. This family's full of dreams and love. Can you help me put some wishing stars in the sky? That was perfect. Almost time to go, but for one last time, here we go. Honk, honk, rattle, 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 crash, bang, bang. Honk, honk, rattle, 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 crash, bang, bang. Honk, honk, rattle, 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 crash, bang, bang. Honk, 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 beep, beep. Aruga! Thank you for joining in today. We hope you had lots of fun. If you would like to share a photo or video with Lifelong Learning, we would love to see your dance moves. Stay safe, stay positive, stay healthy, and keep dancing. Goodbye.